Hi guys, and welcome to another video, and this is probably the second part of a series for beginners, a guide to using a DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Now, a previous video I've actually launched was about the differences between the three main gimbal modes. Now in this video I want to basically give you some very simple moves that you can do with your Osmo Mobile 6. Alright, let's go. Okay, so the very first move you can do is the panning shot, of course. So to do this, make sure you are in the first mode. You can actually do it in the other modes as well, but I would always recommend for beginners to stick to the pan follow mode for now. And then simply just turn your gimbal to the left or to the right to perform a nice and straightforward panning shot. Obviously this can be used for revealing a scene or revealing a landscape and stuff, things like that. Now the next move you can do is what I call the Dolly Shot. And this is a case of simply holding your gimbal vertically and with your legs sort of fairly spread apart, just move your body to the left or to the right and just slowly slide across to perform a dolly move. Just concentrate on keeping the gimbal nice and straight and making sure the phone remains nice and level. Now, you could also use this in a tilt-locked mode just to make your life a little bit easier, but you can also do it in the pan follow mode as well. Now, if you want to keep, for example, if you're doing a shot of the beach or where it's quite important to have the landscape, the horizon nice and level, then if you moved across to the tilt-locked mode by pressing the M button, so you have the little circle, this is going to prevent the mobile phone or the gimbal from turning up or turning down. So when you do your dolly shot by sliding left or sliding right, it's going to make sure you don't accidentally tilt the camera up or down. So that is a very simple move you can do called the dolly shot. Let's now move on to another move, and that is the crane move. And to do that, you can simply just keep your gimbal nice and vertical like we did before, and just bend your knees if you can, don't have arthritis like me, and just slowly move the mobile phone up nice and vertically, just trying to keep it nice and level as you go up and go down. So that is the crane or the jib shot. The next move you can do is the push forward. So to do the push forward, simply just keep your gimbal nice and straight, make your knees nice and bent, and just simply walk forward into the scene, keeping the camera as level as you possibly can. So that is a push forward, and the reverse of that is the pull back. So simply just once again make sure you look behind you, make sure it's nice and clear, you're not going to fall over, keep the gimbal nice and straight, and just simply step backwards nice and slowly to perform a pullback shot. Okay, so that are some basic moves you can do with your Osmo Mobile 6. And in the next lesson I'm going to show you some more advanced moves, including being able to go into a dolly mode, for example using the torch mode, which we can do by rotating it like this. But that's a little bit more advanced and there's a few gotchas with that, so I'm just going to keep that in the next video for you. Okay guys, if this is useful, of course I appreciate a comment and a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well for more videos like this. Other than that, take care and I shall see you soon.